Babylon is a system, a very dread, weird system. It's a system that you have to be strong to survive. You have to learn how to go around it.
Fully loaded up. I got gas, I got food, I got every battery charged. I'm ready to go.
I try to avoid Babylon. This is Revelation. The only relevant book in the Bible right now is the book of Revelation. All the other books, which is words of prophets, is not relevant. No.
Sierra Nevadas. Wish I could camp here. Filmer down there, bud. Got the one-handed steer going on over landing up the mountain here. We're about 7,000 feet, 7,100 feet here in the Sierras. Shit's getting a little crazy.
We still talking. Talking all this shit. We still talking. Why you still talking? Still talking. Still talking. Why you still talking? Why you still talking? Why you still talking? And I don't wanna come. You're really blowing up my phone, 'cause you know I'm making waves. While he has to get some dumb. Why you still talking all this shit? Why you living like a stupid bitch? We still talking. Talking all this shit. We still talking. Why you still talking? Still talking. Still talking. Why you still talking? 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 And I don't wanna come.
So, here's a funny little story. I don't even know where we're at. We had to be probably close to 8,000 feet. We're at about 6 inches of snow, maybe more. I shouldn't be doing this right now. Look where I'm going. It's a cliff right there. Shit keeps getting icy. I'm so stupid. Pushing the limit.
Babylon is a system, a very dread, weird system. It's a system that you have to be strong to survive. You have to learn how to go around it. I try to avoid Babylon. This is Revelation. The only relevant book in the Bible right now is the book of Revelation. All the other books, which is words of prophets, is not relevant. No.
I love the different colors of purple haze on the Green Mountains. Obviously the oranges and yellows are number one. But without the purples, man, it wouldn't be as cool. Give it up for purple. By the way, I'm in the middle of the National Forest right now, and I decided I wanted to do a little something different. So I came out here where all this land has been burnt up, all these trees, and I just kind of set up home. It's been an amazing experience so far. I hope you guys enjoy the footage that I've gotten here. I don't know how long I'm going to stay. Probably for at least 4 days. I don't have a whole lot of food. But we are so deep, it's going to take at least like 3-4 hours just to get out of these mountains and these mountain trails. It's insane.